Without its power, I'm not gonna empty somebody. I'm not gonna get closer. 224. Without you carry the power. Somebody be ready to receive the power now. Let the Spirit to close your eyes and begin to wave your hand to the Father. Begin to wave your hand to the Lion of the tribe. To higher water now. Wave your hand to Jehovah. And Shabbat. We have gathered to encounter your power. We have gathered to encounter your power. Yes, sir. Lion unto them. Lion unto them. Unto them, unto come and baby. People not going to boss. People not going to boss. People not going to boss. Jesus, Somebody should let it overcome. I simply welcome for the people that are ready to cross over. You want to cross over alone. You want to cross over alone. You want to cross over with Jesus. We are there. We are there. You want to cross over with Jesus. Yes. Today, Jehovah came. Anywhere Jehovah came, so the cross over. 224, 224 the secret, 224 the power. But if Jesus, other than Jesus, I cross over, He will protect you, He will fight for you, He will provide for you, He will lift you up, be in the spirit. They will let Jesus with your life. You want your help to cross over. You want your help to cross over. On your not cross over. And when a problem of a cafe, and when a good when Jesus help you to cross over. What the can be substances. What the can remember? We are not joking. Original power. We can see that one. Original power. We can see that one. Original power. We can see that one. Original power. Where you gonna be? Where you gonna be? Where you gonna be? Where you gonna be? Where you gonna be?